Today we're doing opening DOORABLES. Comes with a bag. Oh, then you can see it. Yeah. Woohoo! It is a booty. Can I just open it? Could I just grab the bag first?
No, just open it.
No, I want to grab all the bags first. Why? What? I got Wicked Wow! I got Wicked Wow. No, why? Okay. Open a second. Okay. Where is it? Ooh, who's this?
Oh, that's from Red Panda.
Oh yeah. What panda is fun? I put it next to Wicked Wow. Okay. This one has 2 doors. That's cool.
Tiana.
I want to put it over here because they're both green over here.
Okay.
Whoa, this looks like a suitcase. I have no idea.
I don't know.
Can we just show them and not do the name? She looks like ice cream. Oh. Okay. Time for the 2 doors. The 2 doors looks cool. If it's 2 doors, it looks cool, Mom. Did you see the 2 doors?
Mm-hmm.
Wow! Yum, yum, yum. Wait, let's put it over here. All these, this over here. Okay.
Sully?
Hello, I'm a nice monster. Oh! Look at my back. Hello. The last one. Oh.
Oh, is that from Alice in Wonderland, baby?
I don't think.